welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fitted sheet, and before I begin I just want to let you know that a fitted sheet, you measure the width and the length of the mattress and then you add 20 inches to both sides. So for example, if I were to do a fitted sheet for a single bed, the single bed measures 43 by 73 inches. So I would add 20 to both sides. So that would give me 63 inches by 93 inches. And when I cut that, I would put all four corners together, and I would take out 9 inches from each side. As you can see here, this is a 9-inch square that was taken out of the corner. Now for each corner I am going to make a French seam. So I put the wrong sides together, and I'm going to first of all stitch on the right side. So I put the corners together and I'm going to go ahead and stitch on the right side for all four corners. Alright, so having stitched those four corners on the right side, I am now going to turn over with a 1/4 inch seam. I'm going to turn over, and then I am going to stitch now on the wrong side, and that will complete the seam. The French seam looks like when it is completed. Now, having completed all four, I have gone ahead and double turned the edges of the sheet, and I am going to stitch these all the way around now. Alright, having completely stitched the edge of the sheet around, it is now time to put the elastic in. And what I'm going to do, I am going to take 18 inches from the long side of the sheet, and I'm going to start at the 18-inch mark. Then I'm going to stitch the elastic all the way around the short side, and 18 inches from the other long side. I'm going to do that for both ends. Now I'm using a 3/4 inch elastic, and I just knot the thread there. Next, I pull on the elastic to get maximum stretch out of it, and then I stitch it down, and I'm going to continue this all the way. Now as I stitch that part, you can see it begin to gather right there. So I just continue pulling and then stitching, and I'm going to do that all the way 18 inches down from the long side, and then all the way across the short side. Then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Alright, so here I have the completed fitted sheet. I fold it in 4 because I don't have the space. Unfortunately, I don't have a bed to put it on right now, but this is what the completed thing looks like, with the elastic all the way across the bottom. Please share your views in the comment section below, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be informed of other videos. Thank you.